Hello YouTubers. Today I want to talk about camping stoves. Up until now I have been using the MSR Pocket Rocket stove. But recently, I purchased the MSR Pocket Rocket 2. The main difference I've found in the two is that this one packs up a lot smaller. And will stow into this much smaller case than this one. I made a few different changes to it. One that I really like is the angle that these the stands go is a lot more level, and the pots seem to stay on it a lot better. Now Trinity for a while has started using the BRS 3000T. Which comes in at 25 grams and is definitely the smallest and lightest. So if you're ultralight backpacking but still want a stove, this is definitely the way to go. Anyway, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more, click subscribe. Please also consider supporting us on Patreon so that we can continue to make more of these videos. And you can also join us on our Discord server. The links will be in the description below.